How to make deer repellent. The best defense is a good defense. This statement holds true for keeping deer out of your garden. Here is recipe for a homemade deer repellent that is tried and true. If used on a regular basis, it will prevent deer from eating favorite garden plants. Things you will need: cooking oil, eggs, milk, liquid soap, hot chili oil optional, small spray bottle, blender. Combine in a blender 1 whole egg, 1 cup of milk skim or regular, a few tablespoons of cooking oil and 1 tablespoon of liquid soap with 1 quart of water. Add 1 teaspoon of hot chili oil if you have it on hand. Set the blender on low to mix all the ingredients together. Pour the mixture into a small spray bottle. Spray the homemade deer repellent onto susceptible garden plants every 5 to 7 days. Tips warnings. Keep leftover repellent in the refrigerator for later use. The oil is necessary to help the mixture cling to the leaves. In horticultural terms, this is called a surfactant. Rain or irrigation water will wash the repellent from the foliage. Reapply as often as necessary to prevent deer from browsing.